Hello friends, today we are learn our projection of plane. In projection of plane, a rectangular plate ABCD it is given with 30 by 50 mm. It is resting on HP with one of the side AB on HP and perpendicular to VP plane. So today we are working in first angle system. So our vertical plane, it is above XY line, and HP plane, it is below XY line. And your rectangular plate 30 by 50 mm resting on HP with one side AB perpendicular to VP. So it is called as a stage number 1. So in stage number 1, if you see the objects from top view, so the true shape of the regular rectangular plates on HP, and if I see the elevation, so the elevation it is a line, and all the corner on HP, it means the elevation of rectangle it is on XY line. So first we draw the true shape of the given plate, rectangular shape on HP with dimensioning. So I take the first the length of the rectangular plate 50 mm and the smallest side it is 30 mm, and we create the true shape of the plates in our top view on HP plane, and I write the corner A as a plan point, B, C, D. This is my 30 mm side, it is our 50 mm. Now for the elevation, we take the vertical projection, we show the direction of the moment, and our plate on HP, it means the elevation on XY line. So I draw the elevation of rectangular plate on XY. Now you see the corner A and B. The elevation of corner A and B, it it is appear here as a dash B dash. Similarly, the elevation of the corner C and D, it is appear here C dash D dash. So our stage number 1, the rectangular plate on HP, the top view always the true shape of the plates, elevation it is the line. Now the second stage is say the surface which is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP, it's inclined to HP 40 degree. So I make the inclination with HP. The surface of the plates inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP. So for that, what is my top view? So top view, the top view it is a surface of the rectangle, but the elevation it is inclination with XY line. With one side of the rectangle, AB side, when your plate inclined to HP, your side AB, it is on HP. So the elevation of AB, it is on XY line. So first, line inclined to HP. Use the principle of line. When your line inclined to HP, our elevation always inclination. So first, I mark the A dash B dash because we know whenever our plate inclined to HP, the side AB on HP plane. So its elevation A dash B dash, it is on XY line. So with A dash B dash, we draw the 45 degree inclination. As a light line. On this inclination line, we mark our actual elevation. So I take the radius A dash to C dash, center A dash B dash, and I draw the arc. I get my C dash D dash point. Now we create our elevation as a dark. Now these are our problem statements. Okay, your surface of the plate inclined to HP 40 degree. Now what is my top view? So we know when the plate inclined to HP, the top view it is surface. So first we take the vertical projection. from A dash B dash and C dash D dash. Similarly, you can collect the horizontal projection from your previous plan. You can show your moment. Here the projection, it is downward direction. And your intersection points, it is my A dash, this is A point. So it is giving our plan point A for second stage. This is the B, it is your C, this is your D. So your corresponding intersection, it is a ABCD point. Then you can join with a straight line with sequential, and you can get your top view. Now understand here, when your plate on HP with surface parallel to HP, perpendicular to VP, the top view, it is our true shape. But when the surface inclined to HP, your elevation, it is inclination, and top view, it is a small rectangle. But in first stage, our BC, it is 50 mm. When we see the top view in our second stage, so this 50 mm dimension in top view, it is going to less. That BC, as per principle of line, we call as a top view length. And always the top view length, it is less than the true length. Now as per problem statements, the side AB which is perpendicular to VP, which is 90 degree with VP, it's inclined to VP 45 degree. So I rotate and I arrange my AB side inclined to VP 45 degree, and you can draw your elevation and plan for your third stage. Now check. When I see the objects from the top view, we have the rectangular surface. When we observe the elevation, in elevation there is also the surface of the plates. So first you can draw the 45 degree inclination line with VP plane. So I choose the points on XY line. At this point we draw the 45 degree inclination line. On this inclination line, we arrange our AB side. So my AB side, it is 30 mm. So I mark the AB, this is my corner A, it is our corner B, and we go for our C and D points. So I take the B2C dimension, the top view length, B point center, I draw the arc. Similarly, I A is my center, I draw the arc. Now from B to D I am taking the radius diagonal, plant diagonal. B point center, I draw the arc. Similarly, you can take the A to C. Your A point center, you can draw the arc on your. Now we get our point. This is our C point, and this is our D point. I join the B and C. And we can arrange our same rectangular surface inclined to VP 45 degree as per problem statements. Now the plate inclined to VP, the elevation it is surface. So for that we take the vertical projection from all the corners. So I draw the projection from A, projection from B, projection from C corner, projection from D corner. We show the moment arrow. Similarly, you can collect the projection from your second stage elevation. And mark your intersection points. So here, this is A point, my A dash on XY line, so I mark the A dash. This is our B dash, this is the C point, it is our C dash, and this is our D dash. Now I join A dash B dash, then B dash to C dash, A dash to D dash, and here C dash to D dash. So here you get your third stage elevation and plan of the rectangular plates. Thank you for attending the online class.